The myth of creation. The universe's consciousness is the force that runs through everything. It is not a single creature. It is the energy in between the realms and other entities. In this way, it has a connection to everything non-living and living. I know what you're probably asking. You're probably asking, if the universe's consciousness is not a single being, then how can it be conscious? The universe's consciousness is the force that exists as the astral dimensions, the physical dimensions, and everything in between. It also exists as a frequency that runs through everything in the realms. The universe's consciousness is a force and an entity. Every human, animal, and energy is a force and an entity in some way. You have a physical body that is a physical entity. You also have a consciousness. Your consciousness is connected to the universe's consciousness. You are timeless with the universe's consciousness and everything else. You are always one with the universe's consciousness, so you are one with everything. This means you are connected to everything, everyone, and the universe. You must realize that the universe's consciousness flows as a force through everything. It flows through you. The universe's consciousness could potentially have a physical form just like a human. It might just be the universe itself. Your consciousness is timeless with the universe's. The universe was never created. The physical realm and all of the dimensions exist as part of the eternal now. They overlap like pages in a book that are mangled into one eternal page. There was no Big Bang because if time was linear, then consciousness could never be connected to the Creator. The universe's consciousness would have to exist before linear time to create time and consciousness. Everyone should already be connected with the universe's consciousness as one force timelessly. Our consciousness would be blocked off to the universe's consciousness by a time wall if the Big Bang happened. A created universe doesn't match the aspect of everyone being connected through the universe's consciousness if it had a beginning. If energy cannot be created or destroyed, then why did the Big Bang expand with energy from a point? What created that energy? Linear time cannot exist with our consciousness because of this. Linear time is your brain's ability to file memories and worry about the future. Humanity created the concept of linear time to make sense of what they cannot understand. But if time really had a beginning, then what can you say started it? We must have always existed with the universe as an astral consciousness, an eternal force that has always been one with everything. If we take the Gregorian calendar and go back to the dinosaur-ending asteroid impact, humans would say it happened in the past. But what humanity really means is it happened in a different now. It happened in a different present. Everything exists at once through multiple layers of reality. This event is still happening across different dimensions and different eternal nows. These are the pages and layers of reality I want you to know. When people studied the way galaxies move away from each other, they assumed that the shape of space is expanding because of the Big Bang Theory. But what this phenomena is actually much different. Since the universe is a timeless object, it would be infinitely large in volume. But the universe being infinite is not the same as the universe existing as an infinite finite shape. Infinity has no shape, it only exists. It is not like how you might see a finite volume. The universe is not expanding because of an expansion in linear time. It rather exists as the expansion without beginning or end. Existing without beginning or end, in other words, is timelessness. The universe must exist infinitely with no shape. There is no inside the universe or outside because the universe is infinite. There has to be only space. That physical space is one of the many layers. Consciousness acts as a force that is one with these astral layers. We are connected through the layers together. The universe's consciousness is the consciousness of the layers themselves. The eternal consciousness is the infinite astral book with all of the infinite astral realms and pages layered into one eternal page. Consciousness is like the letters in the infinitely layered page in the book. Basically, it's existing like colored droplets in clear water. The drops exist in the same spot, just as how the physical realm exists in the same spot as the astral dimensions. The physical realm is another layer of the many astral dimensions.